All right, we're still in our first day of West Virginia youth season. We got the first bear taken care of, and we're out for the afternoon hunt with a puppy. And we got a balloon. Yay. I don't know why people keep doing this, but it's just nothing we can do except for pick him up and take him home with us. So we have another kid with us today. We'll catch up and I'll introduce you all. I'm gonna try to find another bear. We'll see. We found some poop. Nothing fresh, but decent. We'll keep looking. Zhulik. I'm telling you, that Zhulik guy is on fire. Chooch and Dixie are backing him up. Where are the older dogs? The older dogs are behind. Look at the young dogs getting it done. I mean, I'm so proud. All right, let's do this.
There you go. There you go.
Wind is coming up. He doesn't know we're here. We're gonna have one chance. He's on the ground. I don't know if this is a good spot to shoot him though. There's no dogs on the sides, but still there's too many branches. So we just realized that he is up in a tree. It's just so steep. Don't you see this though? I mean, look at this. Wow, just wow.
I can probably take this noggin off right now.
You think you can put?
It's a 7-9.
I don't know about branches. I don't know. I'm not familiar with guns.
It's on.
Do you think it'll go through?
Yeah.
It's
We shot 200-some yards an hour later and killed that one.
There's too many branches from here. Do you kind of see? Do you have a clear shot from that? There'll be more leaves, I think, in the way, but we can try. You guys stay here. You and I will go over there. So what you're saying is Zhulik got him?
I think Zhulik treat all by himself.
Yeah. What's that?
Sever stayed over with us.
Sever come running in.
Yeah. I thought he was a deer. He was running out about 80 yards.
All right, who wants to run? Can you run up and see if there's Cody? Flag him down, bring him back here. We don't want to shoot. We think we can get on this little cliff here and then take a shot from there, from above, but we need to find Cody. Because what if Cody just went all the way around and below the bear? He's down there now. We don't want to shoot that way. And of course, I'm not tracking him because I got the Garmin, and I could track him, but we didn't exchange the whatever track numbers and whatnot. So we are trying to get closer. Here's the shooter, the hunter. Cody's down there.
by itself out there. Just, I don't know, if you look, like, literally look ground level, you'll see him move every once in a while.
To this tree. You see? You see? See?
Yeah.
Shoot. One more. There, you got him. You got him. He's gonna go all the way down to the river. He's gonna look. This is gonna be a long night, but you got him good. The dogs can't find. He fell off the cliff. We're gonna see they're coming down to him. Another one. You can go ahead and unload. You don't need to. Well, make sure there's nothing in the chamber.
No, there's
Nothing in
not.
the chamber?
Yeah.
Okay, then you're fine then. You did good. You did excellent.
I can see a little bit of a shoulder on pull trigger.
Yeah. You did good. You did awesome.
Big bear. I got it perfect on camera through there.
You did?
can see the bear, his front shoulder and his head, and y'all right there shooting.
Yeah. That's awesome. He must have rolled down.
Sever was only right there. I didn't
Yeah, they were up.
see Sever.
Yeah, they were close. This was intense. I mean,
Couldn't
They
get much
found him.
better for your first one.
the puppy wants to go.
Yeah, he's wanting down.
So, you think he was up there?
Yeah, he was in that tree right there on the point, and I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
he was in. Like, see where it splits like
Uh-huh.
off the ground? I think he was sitting in that.
Yep. Can you?
I was nervous.
Do you see the bear down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I can actually see it too, right there. That is the bear. We'll just need to get down there and. Well, this was different, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, in this terrain. Oh, well, I mean, watch out, more rocks coming. No, like different compared to anything else we've experienced before. And the dogs were up close to it, and we got real close.
Great view.
Yeah, oh yeah, the view was phenomenal.
That's what I was hoping when I got up there, you'd be able to see the bear, but I couldn't see it when I was up top.
Yeah.
Go to the edge, so I crept around.
Well, what do you all think?
It's a good bear.
It is a good sized bear. It's a boar.
We get the boy down here who shot it.
Yeah, we're gonna ask him. Is he coming down?
He's got to back it out.
You think he's gonna? Oh, here's a puppy. He made it.
Yeah.
Wait, Dixie was up there. Come on, Dixie.
She was
Join in
down
for-
on her belly.
Yeah.
What do you think of it? Huh?
Have you watched any of my videos? Mm-hmm. So, what I'm terrible at is introducing people. So why don't you introduce yourself real quick and tell us how old you are and what's your name?
My name is Josh and I'm 15.
15. Today is the first day of the West Virginia youth season. And congratulations.
Thank
You did good. You did good. You got a nice boar, bear on the ground. Now the work begins. Are you excited? I am excited. Awesome, man. You did great. Come on, puppies, let's go. Come on. His collar is broken.
Huh?
His collar must have broke. All right, come on. Get in. Get in. Sever, come on. Go. That way. That way. Get in. Kuma. Get in. Come on, this way. Come on, get in. Kuma. Get in. Get in. You can do this. You're not that old. Are you that tired? Get in. I gotta wash my hands. Oh my God, YouTube is gonna.
Where to? I just like put some.
Well, we'll find a puddle and we'll just rub our hands with dirt, mud, sand, and they'll come out clean. But anyways, today was a great day. First day of the West Virginia youth season 2024. We got 2 kids out. We got 2 bears. Both of them are nice boar bears, males.
I'm kind of jealous.
I am jealous too.
They're a nice bear.
Yeah, they got a nice one. Yeah, we saved the liver. Yeah, I'm just thinking, did we bring everything out? We did bring everything out. The skulls. We pulled the teeth out. In West Virginia, hunter must submit a certain tooth, to age the bear. Biologists do that. So we got those out. We got the liver for the dogs, heart for us. We're gonna cook it up tonight, and then the meat, the hides, and everything else also. And we got big coolers, and we're actually gonna go to the store and get some more ice and whatnot. So we're gonna celebrate with cupcakes. Cody made them. Did you make them?
No, these are left over from the wedding.
Oh, you got married. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Ooh, I've seen other people do it. So in the comments, leave a comment saying, congratulations, Cody. All right, see you guys.
Hopefully.